Welcome to our tour of this Ram Promaster City micro-campervan. This 4-season van is equipped with all the essentials, completely turnkey and fully capable to adventure off-grid. It's also easy to drive and fits inside a normal-sized garage. The style was inspired by the sleek and efficient designs of European micro-campers. This van provides 3 convertible seating configurations. One arrangement is as 2 separate seats with a clever stowaway table. It's the perfect setup for relaxed dining, productive work sessions, and fun game nights. The second configuration is a 24 by 38 L-shaped sofa, which can be used to lounge leisurely or as a cozy single bed. And a convenient end table can be slid out from underneath. With a quick rearrangement of cushions, the third transformation takes shape. A 38 by 72 inch bed provides ample sleeping space for a solo traveler or a snug nest for 2. The cushions are made of 4-inch high-density foam upholstered with premium indoor-outdoor fabric. The electrical system is powered by a Blue Eddy AC200 expandable power station, featuring a built-in 2200 watt inverter and a 2048 watt-hour lithium-ion phosphate battery. The power station is equipped with 16 power outlets, including multiple 110-volt outlets and USB charge ports, and its systems can be viewed and controlled by an app. There are several convenient ways to keep the power station charged. There are 2 100-watt Renogy flexible solar panels mounted to the roof. Alternatively, an accessories cable kit enables charging through the vehicle's 12-volt socket or through a standard household or shore power plug. 2-zone LED lighting is controlled by touch dimmer switches, with warm mood lighting in each cubby and bright lighting in the ceiling. With a 13-inch marine-grade stainless steel sink and faucet, washing up is a breeze. Activated by a touch switch, a compact 12-volt pump directs water to the sink. Additionally, a convenient 1.5-gallon integrated gray tank featuring a remote open-close switch provides effortless drainage. Water is sourced from the 2 premium 4-gallon containers featuring rapid release tubing. Their easy removal and integrated spigot enables outdoor use as well. A 23-quart 12-volt fridge is mounted on slide-out rails. With advanced compressor cooling technology, food and drink stay chilled even in the hottest weather, and the quiet operation lets you enjoy indoors undisturbed. The kitchen design optimizes every inch of space, with thoughtful storage, dinnerware, and essential items for easy meal prep. A 15-amp receptacle powers essentials like the induction cooktop, a convenient collapsible kettle, and USB-powered devices. The spacious storage accommodates a multitude of needs, from stowing luggage and everyday essentials to bedding and pantry items. The storage layout caters to outdoor adventurers, offering compartments that fit things like folding chairs, small sporting equipment, an outdoor pop-up privacy tent, and even a compost toilet. The high-quality compostable toilet features a lightweight, clean design that ensures easy cleaning and simple disposal. When the full bed is not set up, the van offers a small space allowing use of the toilet indoors or set up outside in the privacy tent. Expanding functionality. The van offers a 37-inch outdoor counter with a built-in drawer. Positioned at the rear of the van, this counter transforms the open back doors into a versatile outdoor space. Roof side rails with crossbars amplify the van's capabilities. They provide secure attachment points for items like a cargo box, kayak, or skis. Designed for year-round comfort, the van is equipped with a diesel heater. The heater is conveniently operated by remote control or the dedicated heater control panel. The fuel tank, which hinges out for easy access, ensures safe and convenient refueling at any diesel gas pump. During buggy evenings or when seeking privacy, a screen with a magnetic seam enclosure can be attached using magnets. A 20 by 20-inch marine hatch skylight, complete with a screen and solar shade, provides natural light, venting, and views. Magnetic blackout shades attach to the rear windows to allow for an adjustable level of exposure. Decorative blackout curtains add a touch of charm, while effectively maintaining privacy and light. For an added layer of separation between the front seats and living area, a large blackout panel securely snaps in place. Ensuring ample airflow, a 6-inch pop-up roof fan provides effective air circulation throughout the interior. Various emergency and safety equipment is accessible from inside the van. The walls and cabinets are constructed out of maple and birch, while the floor is composed of waterproof, interlocking luxury vinyl planks. To navigate the open road safely, find attractions and great places to stay, a GPS tailored specifically for RV and camper vans is mounted to the dash. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this ProMaster City camper van.